Are those flashy Maximum Male Performance Gummies ads flooding your Amazon feed too? Promising wild stamina, supercharged energy, and next-level confidence. It almost sounds too good to be true, right? That's exactly why I decided to take a deeper look and find out what's real and what's just clever marketing. Because let's be honest, when something sounds this perfect, there's usually a catch. In this video, I break down everything you need to know about these gummies, starting with the ingredients. And spoiler alert, they're basically glorified candy, with a tiny sprinkle of magnesium, which in such a low dose won't do much at all. There's no real clinical evidence to support the claims. No third-party testing, no GMP, good manufacturing practices certification, and surprisingly, not even one authentic customer review on Amazon. That alone raises a lot of red flags, especially if you're someone who takes supplements seriously. When I checked the label, it was filled with buzzwords and vague benefits, but the actual content doesn't live up to the hype. The marketing feels like it's built to sell an illusion rather than a real solution. And while that doesn't automatically mean it's harmful, it definitely doesn't deliver the performance it promises. You deserve to know what you're putting in your body, and honestly, if you're expecting real results, you'll want something with clinically proven ingredients, transparent sourcing, and actual customer feedback. So no, this isn't a slam piece. But it's definitely not a glowing review either, just a straight up, honest look at what you're really getting with Maximum Male Performance Gummies.